Welcome to the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast. Our podcast goal is to bring you information and inspiration on achieving your full potential. Our podcast comes out every week on Wednesday morning. Each episode focuses on developing the mental toughness to succeed in life, business, and athletics. We define mental toughness as the ability to move forward under pressure. We will discuss how to use the 5 P's to developing the mental toughness and help you prepare to find your dream job, establish lifelong goals, and develop the mental performance to succeed. I'm Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and I have 30 plus years of experience helping others develop their mental toughness so they can achieve everything they want in life. I have developed several startup companies from the ground up, along with being a business and physical education teacher and a head football coach at the high school here in Florida. I use all that experience to help others move forward towards success. My passion is to educate and inspire people to reach their full potential. So let's get this podcast episode started. Well, how you doing out there, Move Forward Nation of listeners? This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, your mentor, your expert source on how to establish the mental toughness to succeed, how to gain that ability to be able to move forward under pressure. You know, when life is bringing you the pressure, things aren't going your way, tragedy happens, loss of jobs, whatever it may be, we are here to help you move forward in life, to master mental toughness, which is the ability to move forward under pressure. It's a mindset, folks. They call it a growth mindset, a mindset that's always asking itself, what's next? A mindset that has a plan of action, a mindset that believes and loves what they're doing. Today's topic of discussion is, want success? Master the 3 phases of achievement. Master the 3 phases of achievement. Folks, we talk about these 3 phases constantly. We have been for years. And we believe you need to master these 3 areas of your life if you want to achieve at the high level that you want to achieve at, if you want to obtain all the things that you dream about. You see, it's the difference between a goal setter and a dreamer. The goal setter actually has a written plan of action for their life, and they carry out a step-by-step process to achieve it. Where a dreamer wants all these things, but never really goes to work to get them. Just keeps to dreaming about them and hoping that they'll happen without having a plan for them to happen. That's part of mental toughness. That's part of a growth mindset, a mindset that's never going to give up, even when things go bad. And folks, during this process of mastering the 3 phases of achievement, some things are going to go bad. You're going to get thrown off course. How do you handle that adversity? That's what matters. Do you start over, or do you get back where you left off? Well, if you're a goal setter, you know where that is. Today's topic of discussion, you want success? Then master the 3 phases of achievement. I'm going to take a break right now so you can hear about 3 great master classes that we offer in this area to help you achieve the 3 phases of achievement so you can achieve everything it is that you want to achieve in this world. We'll be back in a few moments, but listen to this message on how you can master these 3 areas in your life. Are you looking to live an amazing life, a life full of motivation and fulfillment? Then you must master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. We've developed 3 great master classes so you can master those areas of your life. The first one is Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion. This self-improvement master class helps you find your passion or your purpose in life and shows you how to make it your career so you never have to work a day in your life. The second master class is Goal Setting. This self-improvement master class teaches you a step-by-step process on how to establish lifelong goals and master these 3 phases of achievement so you can achieve everything it is that you want in this world. And the third master class is on mindset, mental performance. This self-improvement master class develops your mental performance. It teaches you that mental toughness that's needed to succeed, that ability to be able to move forward under the pressures in life. Learn to control your thoughts, and you will control your life. You can now get all 3 of these great master classes for the price of 2 just by hitting that link in the show notes below. For additional information on each class, you can also hit the link in the show notes below or look us up over at our website, which is inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Remember now, get your great 3 master classes for the price of 2 today. Hey, Coach P here, Jim Pusateri, and we're back at Inspirational University, the home of the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast and book. That's right, folks, we do have a book out there on this very subject, and it tells a little bit about my story. This is Mental Toughness by Coach P. You can get it over on Amazon. There is a link in the show notes below. We appreciate it if you give us feedback on the book once you read it. Today's topic of discussion: you want success? Master the 3 phases of achievement. This is episode number 1441 of this podcast, which is in its 6th year of existence. Yes, folks, bringing you mental toughness each and every day. Today's words of encouragement, or today's topic of discussion: you want success? Master the 3 phases of achievement. Well, what are these 3 phases of achievement? The number 1 phase is passion. Yes, figure out what you love to do in life and make it your career, and you will never work a day in your life. You will jump out of bed each morning motivated to go do what you love to do and come home every day fulfilled because you just spent the day doing what you love to do. Passion. Hey, we do have a free booklet out there that we put out. It's called The 5 P's to Developing Mental Toughness, and passion is the number 1 P. Go ahead and hit that link in the show notes below to get your free copy of the 5 P's to Success, Developing Mental Toughness. There is a link also in the show notes below. Mastering the 3 phases of achievement. Well, we've talked about passion, folks. Then step 2 is goal setting. Yeah, you have to have a written plan of action for your life. It becomes your blueprint for your life. It's whatever that you want to achieve in your life. It's not what others want for you, or where the road may take you, or waking up each day and just letting life live you. This is you actually living life. Taking everything that you dream of and committing it to a written plan of action. It's as simple, folks, as just writing it down. Put a date on it. Hey, when would I like to achieve this? And then, what will it take to achieve this? And them are the action steps. You write down each and every step it's going to take to achieve what you want to achieve. Them are action steps. Then you take the action step and you break it into small tasks that you must complete to complete that action step. You schedule in your planner, or however you do your day, hopefully you're planning your day, 1 to 5 tasks each day. Make sure that you get 1 task done each day for sure. That is saying that you are moving forward. That brings you 1 step closer to your goal. You see, if you don't do any, that's just like quitting. That's just like failing. But if you do 1 and you continue to move forward, you're continuing to get better, you're continuing to get closer, and you'll achieve those goals. Now, you may not achieve them by the day that you wrote on there, but you will achieve them if you don't quit, if you move forward, if you ask yourself what's next, and what's next should be the next task on your list or your action steps. That's what's next. That's what keeps you moving forward. That's what keeps you going in the right direction so you don't get into this funk where you think life is against you. Hey, everyone in life has problems. It's how you handle the problems that will determine your achievement level. So you've got to have passion each and every day. So that's why we tell you to figure out what it is and then make it your career. So every day you're motivated. Every day you're going to do some action steps towards your goal. And the 3rd phase is mindset. You've got to have the right mindset. The mindset that don't quit. The mindset that keeps moving forward no matter what happens. Because it's still your goal. It's still something you want to accomplish. And I say it all the time. especially to the young ones today. If you quit, you will never achieve it. How do you achieve it? By not quitting and putting in the time, putting in the work, whatever it is that you need to do. But you can't quit. You can't give up. You can't win a football game if you quit the team. You can't win the starting position if you quit the team. You can't obtain what you want to obtain in life if you quit the dream. Do you understand that part? That's the mental toughness. You have to have a positive outlook on everything you do in life. Speaking of positive outlets, each day, Monday through Friday, we put out a 1-minute video. You can get it over at our YouTube station, our YouTube channel. That channel is Coach P, Jim Pusateri. There is a link in the show notes below. But these 1-minute videos are words of encouragement to keep you moving forward, to keep you on track, so you don't slip into that funk and you don't end up quitting. Because success is on the other side of quitting. Yes, you have to keep going. You cannot quit. When you quit, you have now failed. You have now decided you'll never achieve that goal. You'll be one of the what if I only continued going forward? Would I have achieved? Well, you'll never know unless you move forward. You want success? Master these three phases of achievement. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get those words of encouragement Monday through Friday to keep you on track. There is a link in the show notes below. That YouTube channel is Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Hey, you know I ask you all the time to pay it forward. Yes, spread this podcast and this positive message all over your social media. Send it to people who you think could benefit from this. And let us know that you did it. Let us know. But pay it forward. Spread this content, please, and this podcast all over your social media today. You know, a lot of people are struggling with a lot of things in life. If there's something you're struggling with that we haven't addressed yet, or we have been addressing it, you have some questions, some concerns, go ahead and reach out to me at my email, coachp@inspiringthem.com. That's coachp@inspiringthem.com. As always, we ask you to leave a review of this podcast. If you're an iTunes subscriber, you actually can leave us a ranking, a 1-star to a 5-star. The 5-star rankings do help promote this podcast all over the world. Yes, folks, we're being heard in over 100 countries as we speak, and 100% of the United States. If you want to further today's discussion, we do have a community forum board out there. It's on our Kajabi. You can go ahead over and hit that link in the show notes below and sign up for that community board and let us know what you're feeling. Hey, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and my passion is helping others reach their full potential by showing them how to move forward towards success and help them develop this ability to be able to move forward under all the pressure that life brings with it. So how can I help you develop your mental toughness so you can also reach your full potential? Let us know, folks. Reach out to us. Today's topic of discussion: want success? Master the 3 phases of achievement. Have a great one now, and let's move forward. We are pleased to announce our book, Mental Toughness by Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Learn the ability to be able to move forward under pressure. It is now available on Amazon or wherever you purchase your books. This book is so important because everyone experiences death, setbacks, and makes mistakes in life. But most people let those setbacks and those mistakes frame the rest of their life. This book is here to help you move past those mental blocks and to learn how to use the 3 phases of achievement to obtain the success you seek. The book is available on Amazon or wherever you purchase books in a paperback or Kindle version. And be sure to check out our podcast, Mental Toughness by Coach P, which airs every Wednesday wherever you download your podcast. Let's have a great day and let's move forward.